Fergus makes completing checklists on the go super easy for you and your team. Let's walk through how it works. First things first, make sure you've set up your checklist templates in the Fergus desktop settings. If you need help with that, check out our guide on creating checklist templates. Let's get started. Open the job card for the job you're working on. Scroll down to the Tools section and select Checklists. If a checklist has already been assigned to the job or the job phase, you'll see it here, ready to go. And don't worry, you can switch between the overall job and specific phases using the chips at the top of the screen. But if there's no checklist added yet, no problem. Here's what to do. Tap the Add button in the bottom right corner, and choose the checklist template you want to use by tapping Select Checklist Template and picking from the list. Want to customize it a bit? You can assign team members by tapping Add Employee and selecting from the list of Fergus users, set a due date to keep things on track, and even add notes or extra details at the bottom of the page. When you're ready, just tap Add in the top right corner and your checklist is good to go. Now, let's complete the checklist. Open it up and start ticking off items as they're done. Fergus saves your progress automatically so you don't have to complete everything in one go. Use the back arrow in the top left corner to exit whenever you need to. As you work, the checklist status updates. To start, if nothing's been checked yet, in progress when you've ticked off some items, and completed once everything's done. And that's all there is to it. Fergus makes staying organised and completing checklists on the go easier than ever. Try it out and keep your jobs running smoothly.